So hi guys, so in this video we will going to see and learn uh, how to add or create tags or elements in HTML using JavaScript. So like you can see that inside our body tag we don't have any element or tags. So basically this is a pre-formatted HTML, so it won't have anything. So we create a paragraph tag. Inside that we add something. Okay, so it will show us. So relatively in this way we want this to be happen using the JavaScript. So for that I have created three files: HTML, JavaScript and CSS. So let me save it. Okay, let me save it. Won't get okay. So currently we don't have any tag inside our HTML. So let actually I have created empty JavaScript file. So inside it we will create our tags. So the first tag would be of input type. Okay, so let me tell you input tag. Okay, so let we create document, then again create element. Inside this we will give input. Okay, now we want a place 1 minute, then placeholder as search box. Okay, so by using this line, by using the create element method, we will going to create an input tag, and by using this placeholder property we will give a visible name that would suggest us what should we input inside this input box. Now let me append this. So for appending this we will have to do document dot body. We will going to insert this tag into the body element, then append method. Inside it we will going to append our input tag. Okay, so this would happen. So you can see that we have our search box, we can type anything. Okay, so here in this way we can do it. This first one will be for creating HTML tags. Okay, the second one is useful for uh, attributes. Any attributes, like we have a placeholder search box, so in this way you can style it anything. Like let me color it. It doesn't have a color. No, it doesn't have anything. Okay, and the third one will be append the input tag in the body of HTML page. Okay, so in this way we can append. Now let's create a button. So for this we will give is button variable. This button variable holds create element button tag. Okay, so currently we have created our button tag. Let's give attributes. uh, let's give a name to the button, name of button, document dot create text node, then type here submit. Okay, done. So we will give our button as submit name, then append this in a HTML page. So we will going to document dot body dot append child. Okay, append child. 1 minute. Let me append this inside button tag first. Button, then append child, then our name of button. This would be done. Okay, now append this in HTML page body. Okay, now document dot body dot append, then the name of the button. Okay, now you can see that we have now created the button and input box. Okay, so in this way we can give anything. We can set the attribute of the button also. Color. Okay, we want color of the button as yellow. We can have yellow, green, 100 pixel, button dot style dot height 100 pixel. In this way we can do style also. We can also change the text content like click, glow, brown, anything like. So hope this will be helpful.